Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find your Instagram Reels history. So let's get right into it. Now, what you can do to get your history, you can download all of your data, which will include your full history of your Reels, pretty much all that you've posted, liked, saved, and viewed, I'm pretty sure. So the way that you do this is you click on your profile icon in the bottom right, and then once you're on your profile, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then you need to go into your activity. From here, as you'll see all of your history, and you can go to Reels as content you shared, and you'll see all the Reels that you currently have on your account. But you can go into your account history, and you'll be able to download your data from somewhere here. As far as I'm aware, you'll see your privacy and everything, the account history that's been changed, and you might be able to download your information. There we go. At the very bottom of the your activity menu, you just need to click to download your information, and you'll go to your account center where it'll show you the steps which you need to download or transfer your information. Now, this is pretty much the only way which I know of to view your full reel history. If you want to see reels you've interacted with, you can very easily do that by going into your activity and then going into likes. If you've liked on them, commented on them and everything, or if you've been tagged in any. However, you can also go into your saved from your settings and activity, or the three horizontal lines, and you'll be able to see any reels that you have saved, which I do recommend you save them if you find any interesting reels, just so that you don't have to download your history. But once you do, that is pretty much it. If you want to download them to see your entire history, you will need to go to your activity, put in a download request, and once that request is granted, you will get a download link onto your email which you've used to register this account, and that is pretty much all you can do for your activity. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.